Components of Word 2016 window. Let us learn about the various components of Word 2016 window. Quick Access Toolbar, Tabs, Title Bar, Windows Control Buttons, Ruler, Text or Document Area, Ribbon, Vertical Scroll Bar, Zoom Slider, Status Bar. Title Bar. It displays the name of the program and the name of the document. Word gives a temporary name Document1 to your new document. You can change this name by saving your document with a different name. Quick Access Toolbar. It is present on the left of the title bar. It contains commonly used buttons like Save, Undo, Redo, etc. Ribbon. The ribbon is located below the Quick Access Toolbar. It is made up of tabs and groups. Each tab has a set of commands present as buttons. Tabs. Tabs are located below the title bar and Quick Access Toolbar. There are several tabs present in Words such as File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View. Each tab has a specific group of related functions and commands, which are used to complete the tasks. Rulers. There are two rulers. The horizontal ruler appears at the top of the document and the vertical ruler appears on the left. Scroll bars. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen and is used to move your document up and down. You can click and drag the vertical scroll bar up and down. The horizontal scroll bar is located just above the status bar and is used to move left and right across your document. You won't see a horizontal scroll bar if the width of your document fits on your screen. Text or document area. Just below the ruler is a large area called text area. You type your text or content in the text area. Cursor. The blinking vertical line in the upper left corner of the text area is the cursor or the insertion point. As you type, your text is displayed at the cursor location. Status bar. It shows the detailed information of the document like page number, number of pages, words, etc. Window control buttons. Window control buttons are present on the right side of the title bar. There are three window control buttons that are used to minimize, maximize, or restore down and close the window. Zoom slider. Zoom slider is located at the bottom right corner of the window. It is used to enlarge and reduce the size of the window quickly and easily.